Hey guys, and welcome to Christmas. I know in the last video we were just finishing the Boo to You parade, but now we're here around 2 months later. Go to the very Merry Christmas party. We're in the Skyliner. They're so excited.
I'm so thrilled.
Oh, no. We're just swinging pretty good here. It's pretty darn windy today. Oh no. Oh man. I think it's like Remy's Ratatouille Adventure or something. You can see the queue. It's where we're going to be standing in line in a couple months. Opening summer 2020.
Where's the ride?
That building, probably.
Right here.
We have made it to the Christmas tree trail. This one's just parks themed. You got Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios. We are now leaving Flavortown. We are here at the contemporary gingerbread display. It is Cinderella's castle is here. Got glass slipper and another gingerbread case. Got all the ingredients here. I like the random character stuff up against here, like all of the It's Small World.
Rally.
There's
Rally.
We just had this really incredibly nice guy just pay for our meal. He had a couple of free meals left and he's going back home. So he used his dining plan to pay for my whole family. So that was really nice. So thank you to that guy. I didn't get his name. Alright guys, it's 11 o'clock. We're now leaving Polynesian. We are heading over to Grand Floridian to see more Christmas decorations. The gingerbread house is here.
There's people inside of it.
Yeah. That's the store. That's the store. That's where you buy your gingerbread.
In the gingerbread house?
No, they're inside, and then you walk up to it like a stand, and you buy the gingerbread.
What can I get?
I made it really easy. There's a little white chocolate one on the window.
That's all.
And then, yeah.
We'll get it at the park.
Alright, we gotta get the Mickey one. Tiana and Nadine. We got, what's the prince's name?
Grand cake pop.
So that's going to be this. It is a double sweet treat inside.
You got your $10.
Got the gingerbread house.
Yeah, I promise it'll be here only over 10 minutes.
There are 5 hidden Mickeys. Gotta find them. Do those count? There's 2. Are they on every corner? Yeah. I don't think those count. This is way easier at the other gingerbread house. What the heck? Am I just... Oh. 1, 2. Right there. Alright, so that's what we're looking for. Alright, now we just have to find 3 more. Somewhere. You know where we're going. Very merry Christmas party. Alright, got a special note now. Hey, where do we get our special card? I find the best thing to do in this pandemonium is to do a little bit of people watching. So, we're going to be up here for a little bit. There's a show going on at the castle. I'm not too sure where it is. I'm not sure what picture. Oh, it's just a picture with the tree, it looks like. You can see the Tron construction. You can actually see parade floats. You can see them lighting up. Alright, I got my Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom Pluto's Top Pulling Popcorn. Bag. So far, much busier than Not So Scary. I walked right on this last time. Nothing says Christmas quite like the carousel. Woo! You having a blast? Over here at Casey's. Oh wow, I can see the castle lit up and it looks amazing. Just trying to find the rest of our group. Got my LeFou's brew in hand. Still haven't placed a taste of it. Holy crap, Tron is right there. And you can't see it at all. Cool stuff.
Delightful. This is your old bags open. The ears of little Chucky.
Hello, hello.
Thank you. Getting on the speedway now.
Nice mom, great mom.
Are you an experienced driver?
Yeah, how's it? Why am I not serious? This is awful. I don't like this at all. What's happening? What?
Oh, you're such a terrible driver.
What?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Don't look at the camera. You're supposed to be driving.
What's
Hit the gas, woman. There we go.
Wait, how do you steer?
With the steering wheel.
It's not steering. Why is it not steering?
Our dinner. Got hot dog nuggets. What's the name of this hot dog?
Bacon, mac and cheese.
Cheese dip is for what?
I don't know.
Dinner here. Where I finish my hot dog. These hot dog nuggets are way better.